Welcome to the PPC Geeks blog. Today, we're looking at how you can build a high quality email list full of potential customers. This article will help you understand how a squeeze page can help your business. We'll explore what a squeeze page is and how to create your own to help build more leads for your business. Some of the topics covered this week are: what is a squeeze page? How are they different to landing pages? How to make a good squeeze page? And much more. Here at the PPC Geeks blog, our goal is to be the only resource you'll ever need to turn your AdWords account into the money-making machine it should be. We have over 15 years AdWords experience and are offering a 100% free Google AdWords audit. So claim yours today and we'll show you how to improve your account to make more sales from less spend.